What's good, everyone? It's Enricojenko, Blueprint for Daily Income. Just checking in and looking at a couple of stats. This came from a great day watching the kids play at the playland. We took all the kids up to ride playland. They had a great time. And while I was gone, came back. Now I'm checking stats. Looks like we only got two more opt-ins. So we had 593, close to 600. Two more than we had before we left. Who knows? But the big thing is that even in times like this, when it doesn't look like too much is going on, I'm going to continue doing the process. And the process includes creating the videos. So whether good, bad, or indifferent, videos get created, because we have faith in the process. I have faith that the actions bring about the result, not the other way around. You don't get the results before doing what's necessary. So this is my mindset state right now. Like I said, I journal all this, so when I look back on it, and I look back on it with new team members, I can show them that I've experienced the exact same conditions that they've experienced. And I think that's important. I see many teachers and trainers, leaders, and you don't get to really see when they had single-digit referrals. You didn't see them when their income was less than what you have. So you don't really know the beginning or their beginning, which can cause you to not follow their instructions as closely as you would if you felt that they came from the same humble beginning as you might be going through right now. Because business is very humbling when it's not making sales every day. But that's the grind to it all. I've opened up shop on storefronts, front of storefronts, and physically been out there in all types of weather and conditions, just to let people know that I'm out here. So these videos is pretty much it's the same way. You just let people know that you're out here, right? A little point I wanted to pin down, which talks about how important the mindset is. We all want to skip over it, but obviously, if we're not at the income levels that we want to be at, there must be a part that's missing. So if you feel your income level is sufficient enough, then you shouldn't listen. You should do what you're doing. But if your income level is not where you want it to be, you should listen and do all the instruction, because any part of it could be the part that was missing within your repertoire. So you want to listen. Riches begin in the form of thought. The amount is limited only by the person in whose mind the thought is put into motion. Faith removes limitations. Remember this when you are ready to bargain with life for whatever it is that you ask as your price for having passed this way. So it's like every day we're bargaining with life, and we're ordering and giving instructions as to what we want and what we should have. So if we don't have what we should or feel that we should have, then obviously we must be ordering life the wrong way. So within this particular list that I'm creating right now, we're building it up. 593 subscribers right now. We're taking this list to a minimum $1,000 monthly. We're going to put a year's time on it. Might take us 30 days. Might take us 90 days. Might take us 2 days. I don't know. But we're putting a deadline on it. A deadline on the goal. You know that this mindset is important. You might not want to take the time and delve into it, but you know that it's important. All the greatest messengers had a mindset that wouldn't let them quit the message. And they went on to have millions and millions of people lock arms with them. This is the strength of a message that was given to others to share. I figure we're doing the same thing when we use good marketing. We got a message that we want to share. And when we share it with the right person at the right time, those are the people that come in and advance your business also while advancing theirs. That's an L cycle, and the levels to it are, it's crazy. But it's all about money, because that's the scorecard for any adult. And anyone that reaches the age to understand the importance of money, they know they need more of it. So we're going to continue on using our power lead system, getting our mind right so we can consistently expose our offers in compelling ways. Alright? My name's enricojenko. Got any comments, concerns? You can hit me on enricojenko.info or on Facebook, enricojenko. Talk to you shortly.